back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. I am so pumped for today's video because we are finally introducing some spring decor craft ideas. I am itching for warmer weather, no snow, no ice, no gusting crazy cold winds. I want some sun, I want some heat. And to introduce that is spring. So I have two decor ideas for us today. One is a wreath incorporating those Sola Wood Flowers. You guys may remember a video I posted last year, 2022, last year, where I used Sola Wood Flowers to make a very elegant, glamour-like, but still very neutral Christmas tree decor piece to set out. I'll link that right up here in the corner. Today, I am using the same Sola Wood Flowers company. However, I have incorporated spring colors into this wreath. And I'm looking at it right now, y'all, and it is stunning. It is so beautiful. These wood flowers from Sola Wood Flowers are impeccable. They are so beautiful. The colors are so rich. I am really excited to show you guys this project. And then I also have, go figure, Garland to show you guys. I'm a huge fan of incorporating Garland above my sink. I don't have a ton of places in my home where Garland is easily usable. So above my farmhouse sink, it just goes. It just fits. So I have come up with an idea for one of those accent pieces for Garland anywhere in your home that works for you. And it's so simple. Both of these projects, y'all are going to be like, okay, Sarah, where's the real crafting in this? But sometimes you really like those very simple, very quick, you get an idea, you make it, and it's done type of projects. And I have both of those for you today. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am posting new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. So make sure that you are subscribed. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you are excited for some spring decor, come on with me. Let's go create. So here are our decor pieces, both up front and center for today's video, and I cannot wait to put these up. Again, I am ready for spring. That means summer's right around the corner, so I'm here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.